Have you ever pondered the importance of financial stability in your life? Ever wondered how it feels to have not just one but multiple sources of income? Picture it. You're not just relying on a single paycheck every month. No, you've got several streams of income flowing your way, contributing to a robust and secure financial foundation. This, my friends, is the essence of financial stability. It's about creating a safety net that brings peace of mind and overall life satisfaction. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket, but spreading them out, diversifying. And how do we achieve this? Through multiple income streams. Think of these streams as tributaries feeding into a mighty river. Each one on its own might seem insignificant, but combined, they create a powerful current, leading you towards financial stability and freedom. So, are you ready to learn more? Let's dive into the top 5 ways you can create multiple income streams. Welcome, eager moneymakers. Welcome to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we'll continue to bring you more videos on info to motivate you to taking your next step in whatever venture you're pursuing. Okay, let's start our list, shall we? The first income stream we'll discuss is investing in the stock market. For the uninitiated, the stock market might seem like a daunting prospect, but fear not, it's not as complicated as it seems. Investing in stocks essentially means buying a small piece of a company. As the company grows and succeeds, so does your investment. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree, all while you sit back and enjoy the shade. The appeal of stock investment lies in its potential for high returns. The stock market has consistently proven to be one of the most effective ways to grow wealth over the long term. And the best part? It can serve as a substantial source of passive income. Yes, you heard it right. You can make money while you sleep. But before you dive in, it's crucial to understand that high reward often comes with high risk. Investing in stocks is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a well-thought-out strategy. You'll need to understand the basics of the stock market, like how to read a stock chart, what dividends are, and how market trends work. And let's not forget about the importance of diversification. Spreading your investments across a broad range of stocks can help manage risk. Now, you might be thinking, but the stock market is unpredictable. What if I lose all my money? Yes, the market can be volatile, and yes, there is a risk involved. But that's where research and understanding the market come in. By staying informed about market trends and economic indicators, you can make informed decisions and mitigate the risk. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Building wealth through stock investment takes time. It's about consistent, informed investing and riding out market fluctuations. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market. While investing in stocks requires careful planning, it can be a lucrative way to generate additional income. With the right approach and mindset, the stock market can become a powerful tool in your income-generating arsenal. The second income stream is real estate investment. Now, this is a path that has paved the way to financial freedom for many. And it's not just about becoming the next big property mogul. It's about taking steady, calculated steps towards creating a solid income stream. Let's start with rental properties. When you invest in a rental property, you're essentially buying an asset that can generate consistent income. You become a landlord, and the rent you collect from your tenants becomes your income. It's like having a business that operates without you needing to be there all the time. The beauty of this is that it's not just a one-time deal. As long as you have tenants, you have a steady flow of income. But it's not just about the rent. There's also something called property appreciation. This is when the value of your property increases over time. So, while you're collecting rent, your property could also be growing in value. This means that if you decide to sell it in the future, you could potentially make a profit. It's a win-win situation. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Real estate investment requires a good understanding of the market. You need to know where to buy, what to buy, and when to buy. It's also important to understand property management. Dealing with tenants, maintaining the property, handling legal matters, it's all part of the package. And while it can be challenging, it can also be incredibly rewarding. One of the great things about real estate investment is the potential for diversification. You can invest in residential properties, commercial properties, even vacant land. Each type comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. But with the right strategy, you can turn these challenges into opportunities. So, whether you're dreaming of owning a string of rental properties or just one small apartment to start with, real estate investment is a viable route to creating an additional income stream. It requires patience, knowledge, and some level of risk-taking. But with careful planning and smart decisions, real estate investment can be a solid way to build wealth and create an additional income stream. Our third income stream is starting a side business. Think about the skills you have, the hobbies you love, or the problems you're good at solving. These could be the foundation of a successful side business. For instance, if you're a whiz at baking, you could start a home bakery business. If you're a tech enthusiast, you could offer IT consulting services. The possibilities are as diverse as our individual talents and interests. Starting a side business offers a world of flexibility. You can keep your day job while you build your business, or you could dive in full-time if you're ready for it. This flexibility allows you to manage your risk and income, making it a suitable option for many. But let's not sugarcoat it. Starting a side business can be challenging. It requires time, effort, and often, a financial investment. You'll need to wear many hats, from marketing to accounting, and you'll need to be resilient in the face of setbacks. However, the rewards can be substantial. Not only can a side business generate a significant income, but it can also provide you with personal fulfillment. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of seeing your ideas come to life, of creating something of value that others appreciate. Yet, the potential for growth is perhaps the most exciting aspect of starting a side business. What starts as a small operation from your garage or home office could grow into a full-fledged company. Think of the tech giants that started in garages or the home bakers who now own successful bakery chains. In summary, starting a side business can be a journey filled with challenges and triumphs. It's a journey of personal growth, resilience, and financial gain. It calls for a commitment of time and resources, a willingness to learn, and a passion for what you do. Starting a side business can be a fulfilling and profitable way to generate additional income. The fourth income stream is freelancing or consulting. This is a pathway that invites you to leverage your skills, knowledge, or expertise to provide services to others. If you have a knack for graphic design, a deep understanding of marketing strategies, or a masterful command of programming languages, then this could be a great fit for you. One of the many advantages of freelancing or consulting is its flexibility. You can work whenever you want, wherever you want. This doesn't mean it's a walk in the park though. It requires discipline, dedication, and a drive to deliver quality work every single time. Another key element to a successful freelance or consulting career is networking. Relationships matter. Getting to know people in your industry, attending events, and joining online communities are just a few ways to build your network. The more people who know about your services, the more opportunities you'll have to secure projects. Marketing yourself effectively is also crucial. This could mean creating a professional website, establishing a strong social media presence, or even using targeted ads. Remember, you're not just selling your services, you're selling yourself. Your potential clients need to know why they should choose you over someone else. Freelancing or consulting can provide a valuable income stream and the freedom to work on your own terms. It's not just about the money, it's about having the independence to pursue your passions and make a living out of it. Our final income stream is creating and selling digital products. Now, when we say digital products, we're talking about a wide range of things. This could be anything from ebooks, online courses, to even software. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created once and sold over and over again, providing a source of passive income. This means once your product is out there, it can continuously generate income with little to no ongoing effort on your part. Another advantage of creating digital products is that it has very low startup costs. You don't have to invest in physical inventory or worry about shipping costs. All you need is your time, creativity, and a platform to sell your products. And let's not forget about the freedom and flexibility it offers. With digital products, you're not tied down to a physical location. You can work from anywhere in the world, at any time. This flexibility can provide a better work-life balance and open up opportunities for travel and adventure. But perhaps the most exciting part about creating digital products is the potential for unlimited income. Unlike a traditional job where your income is tied to your hours worked, with digital products, your income potential is only limited by your creativity and marketing skills. Creating digital products can be a creative and flexible way to earn additional income. As we've discussed, creating multiple income streams can significantly contribute to your financial stability. Let's take a moment to revisit the top 5 strategies we've explored. First, we've got investment in stocks. This strategy allows your money to work for you, growing over time as the companies you've invested in prosper. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty oak. Next up, we have real estate investment. This involves buying properties and generating income through rental or resale. It's like owning a golden goose that lays eggs for you on a regular basis. Our third income stream is starting a side business. This is your chance to turn your passion into profit, whether it's baking, blogging, or building birdhouses. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but in this case, you're selling the cake. The fourth income stream we discussed is freelancing or consulting. This is an excellent way to monetize your skills and expertise. It's like turning your knowledge into a magical wand that generates cash. And lastly, we talked about creating digital products. From ebooks to online courses, the digital world offers vast opportunities for income generation. It's like owning a factory that never sleeps and keeps producing wealth for you. All these income streams have one thing in common. They offer the potential for increased financial security and independence. But remember, diversification is key. Just as you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, don't rely on just one income stream. Spread your wings and explore different avenues. Each income stream comes with its own set of challenges and rewards, but the journey towards financial stability is well worth the effort. Think of it as a financial adventure, with you as the hero charting your own path to prosperity. Remember, the key to financial stability is not just earning more, but also diversifying your income. Start exploring these income streams today and take a step towards financial freedom.